Hi friends and welcome to your art class. Say hi to my friend Forky. Hello! I just wanted to show you that. He's just a silly thing that I made. We'll put him here. He can make some art with us today. How's that sound? Forky, I like Forky because he shows us that we can make art out of anything, right? In the movie Toy Story 4, our little friend Bonnie, she made him just out of some trash, some stuff that she found in the trash. I wouldn't recommend going digging through the trash, but it really shows us that you can be creative and make a friend or make some art out of anything. It's really beautiful because he is so cute and he's just made of some just kind of random little stuff. So he's our little friend. We're going to keep him here today. What we're going to do for our art class today, we're going to draw some weather. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is draw a big line down the middle of my page here, and then draw one in the middle of the left side and one in the middle of the right side, okay? And we're going to draw 4 different types of weather, okay? So weather is the way that it feels outside. What is the world doing outside? Is it a cold day? Is it a hot day? Is it raining? Is it storming? These are all different types of weather, okay? So we're going to draw a little house down here, and you can draw the house however you like. I'm going to have a little fun with my house. It's going to start with a rectangle, but then it's going to have another rectangle on top. Think of this like building blocks, okay? And then maybe it'll have a round roof here, and then a little triangle right here. That's my house that I'm making. I'll give it a door and a big round window here and a couple long windows like this. So come up with a little house, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw that house in each of these, and I'm going to draw different weather for each one. So I want you to think about the different types of weather that there could be. So I'm going to give you 4 examples, but you don't have to copy mine exactly. I would like you to try to come up with one of your own, okay? So the first type of weather, I'm just going to do a sunny day. Sunny weather. Here's the sun. And I'm going to make it nice and yellow and bright. Beautiful sunny day. And this is all about the weather. So I'm going to think, what are the clouds like? On my sunny day, we just have little wispy clouds. Just a couple of little wispy clouds in the air. And we'll think, what else happens when there's sunny weather? Maybe there could be a hot air balloon. On a nice sunny day, you might see people riding around in a hot air balloon. And that can give that some nice colors too. And you know what else? Here, I'll add another window here, a big window. I have my window open on a sunny day. So there's my window is open. And here's my cat. My cat loves to look out the window on a sunny day. Cute. I also like to play outside on a sunny day. So here's me with a hat on, and I'm throwing a ball in the air. Just playing. Just chilling, having a fun day, right? I love to play outside on a sunny day. So there's my sunshiny weather. Now, I'm going to draw my house again. Same house, different weather, okay? So now, you'll notice my window here is closed. My window is closed this time because this is a cold, snowy day. There's big gray clouds. The sky is all gray. And there's big clouds in the sky. And they're snowing down. And you can see the snow is piling up on the top of my house and all around. And you know what I'm doing on my snowy day? I'm outside in my winter gear. I got my hat, and I'm shoveling the snow. That's me with my winter hat, and I'm shoveling the snow. And my cat's still looking out the window. It's just closed. And she misses the outside, and she's thinking, why can't I go out there? Meow, meow. And I'm like, you don't want to go out there. Just be happy that I'm keeping you inside. We want our warm and fuzzies to stay warm and fuzzy. So we got nice gray clouds because it's winter and the sky is gray in the winter and it's a snowy day. But you know what also is happening on this day? It's a blizzard. Have you ever heard of a blizzard? A blizzard is when there's a lot of snow and it's blowing wind. So I'm drawing these little curly shapes to look like the wind, and I'm drawing some lines going sideways to show the snow is blowing everywhere. It's crazy outside. Whew. Crazy, crazy weather. It's coming. We're gonna have some blizzardy days in the winter. It does happen. Oh, and you know what I forgot? I forgot to add my nice blue sky on my sunny day. Because on my sunny day, the clouds are nice and clear, and I'm just lightly coloring. I don't have to spend a lot of time coloring the whole sky. I'm just kind of lightly coloring with a colored pencil here to add a little bit of color, a little bit of blue to my beautiful sky. Oh, I miss this kind of weather already. Now let's come up with another one. You know what is one of my favorite types of weather? Let's see if you can guess what this is. Here's my fun little house that I made up. I actually, on these kind of days, I keep my window open a little bit so that I can hear what it sounds like outside, because I love the sounds of these types of days. So let's see if you can guess what kind of weather this is. Yes, this is a thunderstorm. As a kid, I thought thunderstorms were kind of spooky, but I realized, you know what, I'm safe in a thunderstorm. And I actually really enjoy it. I like a day where you can stay inside sometimes and, you know, play games and build a little fort out of blankets and play with your family. And the rain's coming down and you can hear the sounds on the roof going chick, 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 chick. That's why I open my window. It feels comforting to me. I like those rainy, stormy days where you hear the thunder from far away going, and you just hear that little gentle flow of rain. And on a stormy day, the clouds get dark and gray, and the sky gets dark. Even in the middle of the day, it gets dark, and it feels strange, like it's nighttime, even though it's the middle of the day. I like that. It's kind of exciting for me when the weather is kind of strange and different. Sometimes on a stormy day, the sky can also be kind of strange colors. You might see some green or some yellow in the sky. It's very mysterious, but it's not spooky because you know that you're gonna be okay, right? And I'll just add a little more darkness, a little more black in my sky to show how dark of a day it is. And I'll even put some darkness on my house because the darkness is casting shadows on my house. So I have a sunny day, I have a blizzard, which is lots of snow and wind. I have a stormy day. And for my last one, oh, guess what? I'm not gonna draw the last one because I want you to try to come up with one on your own. So I'm not gonna give you all 4 ideas. I want you to see if you can think about what other kinds of weather there is. So think about it. If you don't know, maybe talk to somebody at home about, you know, what are the different types of weather. Try to think and remember what types of weather you have seen in your life. Or look outside and draw the type of weather that you have right now. All right? So I hope that you enjoyed that lesson. It's really fun to think about the different types of weather and how we can use that in our art. All right? Well, I love you all. You're all awesome. Keep on drawing, okay? Even if you're finished with this and you have some extra time, you can make a new drawing. You don't need me to tell you what to draw. You can draw anything that you want, you beautiful, creative people. Okay, bye-bye. Have a good day.